Run Graph Master extension. Open any spline graph, enter name and points on graph count. Now you can edit values. Everything is grouped and organized as conveniently as possible for quick setup. You can customize the style and shading in one place. Let's change the appearance of the downloaded preset a bit. Good. When you are satisfied with the result, you can add new data. You can simply duplicate the layer with the sector. The data will be distributed correctly across the entire area. Now let's change the value in each sector. Now let's change the colors of the elements for each sector. You can change the style at any time while keeping all the work done. Open the Graph Wizard plugin and select Other Styles. Click the Assign New Style button. Of course, you can also choose shaded styles. Now the shading of elements is available in a single interface for each element. Let's change the shading, for example back arc element. Here you can change the type of shadows and the type of bevel. You can combine different parameters to get a unique graph style. Also, some elements contain settings for glow. The shading settings for each element are conveniently grouped into the appropriate tabs. Now let's change the central element. Please note that the shading is absolutely correct. To change the global lighting settings, go to the appropriate tab. As you can see, there is nothing complicated. One of the innovations will also allow you to add any characters to the beginning or end of the value. Double-click on the desired text layer and type in the required character. Good. Let's continue editing and change the maximum value. Now let's change the appearance of the graph by downloading it from the library again. Please note that the maximum value has changed. This is due to the fact that it is written in the preset. Just change it to the one you need. The The new thing is that the editing process is completely non-linear. You can change the values and appearance in any order.